Okay, now that we have fixed our elevation, in this video we're going to be creating our walls. So in order to do that, we'll just double click on our ground floor once again. So right now we're in the ground floor plan view, and here you can see that another window has been generated here when we double clicked on the east. So this is the east elevation. So now we have two windows, and if you want to see two of the windows at once, what you can do is just press on W and T on your keyboard, and then both of the windows will be open side by side. If you had three windows would have been open. If you had four windows would have been open. So let me just show you. If I just open the roof as well, so I have now roof, ground floor, and the east. So I'm pressing on WT. As you can see, we now have three windows here. Now I don't want three windows, I don't want the rest of the windows, so I'm just closing them. There you go. We're just going to be on the ground floor window, and in this video we're going to be preparing our walls. So right now we're just gonna go to the architecture tab, and from there, if you click on the wall, there you go, click on the wall. Here in the properties panel, you can change the wall type. So there are different kinds of walls, and we're gonna go with the brick walls. Okay. So we're going to go with a brick wall, so we will use this particular type of brick wall. Now this particular type of brick wall, if you go to the edit type here, you'll learn more about this brick wall, and the properties of this brick wall are given here. So here in the construction part, you can see the width of the wall. It is on 215. So if you want to change the width, you can change it up from here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to give a width of 5 inch. So our exterior wall is going to be of 10 inches, and our interior wall is going to be of 5 inches. So let me just convert it real quick from inch to millimeter. So we're going with the interior wall first, so it's going to be 254 millimeters. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click on the edit, and from here you can see the thickness, it's 215. So we just come over here, and then we rewrite it as 254. Okay, and we click on OK, right? But that will change this particular wall type in this particular project file, but that is something that we do not want, so we're not going to be changing it first. What we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this type first, and then we're going to name it. We're going to name it, let's just say brick, and then give, let's say 10 inches. So brick 10 inches, click on OK. Now this is brick 10 inches. Now we go to the edit of structure, and then we type down 254, and then click on OK. So, and then click on OK again. As you can see now, basic wall, brick wall, 10 inches brick wall has been created here. Now if you go to edit type again, and then click on duplicate, this time it is going to be brick 5 inches. Click on OK, and then go to edit, and then we're going to change it. Let's see, 5 inches is 127. So here we're gonna write up 127 and click on OK. So that's 127. Click on OK. So we have now our 5-inch walls and as well as our 10-inch walls. So these are the walls that we're going to be using here to create the walls of our house plan. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got to learn something new.